Berk, you do my da. Chia Berk, you do my da. Berkey, Beth, you do. Bequity. Hey, you know what I'm saying? Peşmerga. Hey, it's your boy Jay Munchie, you know what I'm saying? Welcome to Peşmerga Munchie TV, aka Kurdish Munchie TV, you know what I'm saying? This is a Kürtçe reaction video, you know what I'm saying? Welcome to the Universal Middle Eastern Empire, you know what I'm saying? And we about to react to Syrian Kurds singing the Pesh. Is it Peşmerga or Peşmerga? Peşmerga, you know what I'm saying? Chia, you know what I'm saying? To the Syrian Kurds, and I ain't talking about the terrorists. I ain't talking about anyone that causes harm to other people, you know what I'm saying? I'm talking about my good Kurds. He look like a good Kurd. He don't look like he's a bad Kurd. You know what I'm saying? So don't go in the comment section because you're a Kurd hater. You know what I'm saying? But ain't no empire greater than the universal Middle Eastern royal empire. You know what I'm saying? So it's all Palestinian or, you know what I'm saying, Farsi, Persian, you know what I'm saying, all that good stuff. But no Kurd haters on this channel. You know what I'm saying? We all love Kurds here. If you don't love Kurds here, then you know what I'm saying? Keep it moving. Get out of here. Kick rocks. Eat bricks. I don't care. You know what I'm saying? But anyway, this is the Peşmerga army song. So this is the actual Peşmerga army. Awesome. Let's take it here. You know what I'm saying? Peşmerga. Was that Suleimani? Hey, who's that? Right? Oh, they doing training exercises. Military exercises. Hey. Yo, what the hell? Hey, Peşmerga. I like the delivery. I like the sound. You know what I'm saying? This is super old, too. You know what I'm saying? What is this, 1994 when the war was going on? Or before the Civil Rights War? Is this when y'all was going to war with Iran? The Peşmerga Iranian Wars? Or the Kurdish Iranian Wars? Whichever floats your boat. You know what I'm saying? But how the hell did he get on the top of that flag post like that? It was like, what, the wind was blowing that damn hard that he was like he was a flag. I love that. That was Peşmerga to the finest. You know what I'm saying? That was Kurdum to the finest. That was Kürtçe to the finest. Zor Sobaz. You know what I'm saying? That was you know what Zor Sobaz mean, right? Okay. ABZ Kurdish song. Hey. So that's to withstand pain. Hey, ooh, nice. And you get 2 in 1 video. Chia, delay. Hey. Oh, damn, they dangerous. Oh, they some badasses. Oh my God, I ain't never seen no damn training exercise like this. Not like this. What the what? Awesome. My Kurds are real true warriors. They come from ancient warriors, bruh. Media, Medik. The Median Empire. Why you think I call myself Munchie the Great now? You know what I'm saying? Shout out to Cyrus the Great. You already motherfucking know he was motherfucking Kurdish. Bitch. For all you Kurdish haters. Acting like they ain't got no history. Acting like they don't deserve their own land. It was Greater Kurdistan. Then y'all broke it into 4 parts like it was a game. And still not a game. You know what I'm saying? I know what the fuck the trickery be with the Kurdish haters. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. Hey, Bawani. Hey, Hawani. Hawani. Peshawar. Da. Da. Hey. Barzani. Where is that? What the hell is that? That he was ziplining to. He was ziplining to some big ass gap. Look like a big ass swimming pool. Ooh, I love this chorus. Yes. Hey. Yeah. Yo, never leave your soldier behind, even if he's stuck in a building. I never seen that before. Barzani.